am at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Tina. Nice to meet you, Tina.
Nice to meet you.
Tina, could you introduce your factory to us?
Our factory is Shantou Baoliurun Toys. We are located in Shanghai, Shantou, Guangdong province.
Very good. And so, what are your main export regions that you export to?
Our main exports are Russian and Europe and South America.
Wow, so you have the big markets, like worldwide almost. Okay, very cool. And so when you are exporting to these, it's very important the safety and the product quality is very certified.
Yeah.
So what are the certifications that you have?
We have 4 certifications, such as EM71 and CPC and ASTM and so on.
Okay. It's very good. So the safety is very important, and also so is the fun. So what is like the new product that you are introducing into the market?
Okay, let me show you. This is our new product. This is the matching toys for children and can improve the children's, develop the children's grade and let children's cognitive. Yes, you can see the orange and the apple.
Yeah, so it introduces the fruits and also it introduces the shapes as well. The complex shapes and colors. And so it's very good for the children's of 3 and 3 and above for like their cognitive development, also their logic and reasoning, and also their fine motor skills as they pull apart and put together these little and so I'd say you're very good. So like I have to say, what's your best selling product?
Let me show you. This is our best selling toys. It's the space exploration. And you can see, I show you the function. This can has the light and has the sound, and this can the spray.
It will spray like a steam. Wow.
And also this has the projection. You can change the projection if you like. And
also in the dark, it will have like a light that you can shine in the room. So you can have like stars in your bedroom and like a little space astronaut as well.
And also you can DIY with yourself. And this is the package with some customers, and this is the big package.
Wow, so there's different size sets that have all this different little alien astronauts and stuff, and different designs for different vibes and different genres as well. And also what I find so interesting is that it's for ages like 3 and above, but like they have all this versatility and DIY, as you say, to create their own little stories and like role play these like massive stories. It's really good for their imagination and creativity, correct? So I'd be very interested in speaking more with you about this. So where could I contact you for more information?
You can contact my WeChat and our website, and or contact my email. It's okay.
So all the information is on that card there. That's amazing. Okay, so thank you so much for speaking with me. I'd be very excited to hear more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.